The secret way to break the YouTube short algorithm. I recently got a comment on one of my videos that really hit hard. This guy said, "Do you know why my other channel is stuck at 0 views? I started posting shorts, but they aren't getting pushed out at all." Reading that took me straight back to the early days of my YouTube journey. I remember spending hours editing and perfecting my shorts, only for them to get absolutely no views. It was beyond frustrating. If you're watching this and your shorts are getting 2, 3, maybe 4 views, or even 0, you know exactly how that feels. You put in all this effort trying to grow your channel, but YouTube just doesn't seem to push your videos to anyone. It's like the algorithm has completely ignored your content, and that can be super discouraging. I get it. I've been there. I even have proofs. This right here is one of my old channels. I was stuck in what I call the 0 view prison or jail. Those 2 views you see, they were probably just me refreshing and watching my own video. And when I checked the reach tab, it showed that YouTube had only pushed my video to few people. The impression is so low. It made me feel like all my hard work was for nothing. But now I got the secret. Look at this new channel. I posted a short, and right away, it started gaining traction. I'm not using an old channel with an established audience. This is a fresh experiment, and I already know where this is headed. Based on my experience, I can tell this video is going to spike in views. I wouldn't be surprised if it hits a few 100,000 or millions. That's exactly what you want your shorts to do. Gain momentum instead of staying stuck at 0. Let's talk about how to break free from 0 views. It's 100% possible, but you need to understand how YouTube actually works. A lot of new creators struggle because they put in so much effort without knowing what makes the algorithm favor you. Funny enough, I was just talking to one of my friends a few days ago. He was posting shorts on his new channel, but they weren't getting any views. He was super frustrated, feeling like all his work was going to waste. He sat down, went through the exact process I'm about to share with you, and guess what? He turned things around. First things first, your channel needs to be aged. I've noticed that YouTube doesn't favor brand new channels. It's almost like they don't trust them. If you just created a channel and started posting shorts right away, that could be the reason your videos aren't getting pushed. My advice, let your channel sit for at least 3 months before you start uploading regularly. I know that sounds frustrating, but it makes a huge difference. Now here's something that nobody really talks about. Spam posting bad content can actually lock your channel into a cycle of getting no views. A lot of people think they need to upload every single day to grow, but that's not true. If you're posting low-quality videos, YouTube takes note of that and stops pushing your content altogether. Instead of forcing yourself to post daily, focus on quality over quantity. If you're about to upload a video and you're not sure if it's good enough, don't post it. I learned this the hard way. When I was new to YouTube, I used to upload videos that I wouldn't even watch myself, and I expected others to enjoy them. Spoiler, they didn't. If you've been posting a bunch of low-performing shorts, here's how to reset your channel. Go ahead and private those videos. Wait a few days, maybe even a week, and then come back with a banger, a high-quality video that you'd actually enjoy watching. This lets YouTube refresh its perception of your channel, giving you a better chance to break out of 0 view jail. The next major key, engagement. Once your videos start getting views, say 1,000 to 3,000 per short, you need to focus on getting people to interact with them. Likes, comments, and watch time all matter. You might notice that after escaping the 0 view trap, your videos still don't perform as well as you'd like. That's because YouTube is looking at how viewers engage with your content. The more people watch all the way through, like, and comment, the more YouTube pushes your video to a wider audience. Once you figure this out, it's a game changer. Your channel will start growing rapidly, and you'll find yourself posting one viral video after another. But remember, it all starts with breaking out of 0 views and making sure your content is worth watching. I hope this video helps because I know a lot of creators struggle with this. Catch you in the next video.